I am Archana Rathi from Prabhat Kids School, Akola. In this video, we are going to see where we are using the quadratic equation, means real life application of quadratic equation. We are using quadratic equation while solving the or while finding the edges, unknown edges, time and work problem, time and distance problems, and many more mensurations and many more daily life situation can be solved by using the quadratic equation. Let us see how this quadratic equation help us in our daily life. So in this video we are going to study some word problem and how to solve stepwise word problem. In the examination, this type of questions are asked for the 4 marks. There are 2 steps. First, framing the quadratic equation, you will get the 2 marks up till that steps, and after solving the quadratic equation. Let us see the first example. Now, the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages, means somebody age is given, okay, 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. There is a relation between the 2 ages, before 3 ages and after before 3 years and after 5 years. Okay, now and you have to find his present age. Now what you want to find? His present age. So let's the present age. Let's present age of Rahman is X years, because we have to take the age in years. Okay, now what was the age of Rahman before 3 years or 3 years ago? Means X minus 3 obviously. Therefore let the age is X minus 3 years. Okay, now the age of Rahman before 3 years. Okay, and age of the Rahman after 5 years. 5 years from now means after 5 years 5 will be added to the present age. Okay, years. Age of Rahman after 5 years. Okay, now if you frame this properly, now what is the condition given? That the reciprocals of these 2 ages, these are the age, this is the age before 3 years, this is the age after 3 years. Reciprocal means, what is the reciprocal? Means 1 upon this, 1 upon x minus 3 and 1 upon x plus 5. And what is the next condition? Up till now we have completed the sum. Now the sum of these 2 ages, means sum of this reciprocal is given equal to the 1/3. Therefore by given condition, by given condition, what is the equation? This plus this equal to 1/3. That is 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 equal to 1/3. This is your equation which satisfied your given condition. Okay, now get simplified. Now by LCM. What is the LCM of these 2? That is x minus 3 into x plus 5. Okay, now multiply this x plus 5 into 1 plus x minus 3 into 1, that is x minus 3 is equal to 1/3. Now this x plus x, 2x. This plus 5 minus 3, that is plus 2 upon, we will here x minus 3 x plus 5 equal to 1/3. Now as equality sign, for simplification you just do the cross product, this into this and this into this, and equal to sign will be there. Okay, therefore 3 into numerator, that is 2x plus 2 equal to 1 into this complete 2 bracket. These are in multiplication, so we can x minus 3 x plus 5. Now just simplify. 6x plus 6. Okay. Now this is x multiplied by this complete bracket. Therefore, x into x, x square. Plus sign is there, plus. Therefore, x into 5, 5x. Now you are multiplying by minus 3 to whole bracket. Therefore, minus 3 into x, minus 3x. Okay. Now you are multiplying by the minus 3 to the come. Minus 3 plus 5. Therefore, minus 15. Now, rearranging the equation. Take that all things this side. So, here what will remain? 0, because this is all is in the addition. So, there will be subtract x square. Here first solve this. This is plus 2x minus 15. And this is again minus 6x. Okay. Then this is minus 6. I am transferring both the term at a time. Therefore, now just do this. This will be x square plus 2x minus 6x, that is minus 4x. Now minus 15 and minus 6, that will be minus 21. Addition, but both have the same sign, so negative is equal to 0. Just we are writing in the proper way, x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Now up till now you will get the 2.5 marks for framing the correct quadratic equation. Now henceforward you can solve this quadratic equation by any of the method. Here I am using factorization method. 21, okay, that is, you know that 7 into 3, 21. As it is negative sign is there, this will be negative and this will be positive. Okay, now you can solve x square minus 7x minus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. And taking x common, x minus 7, we are taking minus 3 commas. 1 minute. Sorry, this will be the plus, because plus 3x. Plus 3 common, x minus 7 equal to 0. X minus 7 in another bracket, x plus 3 equal to 0. From this, x minus 7 equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 3. Now you know that age will not be in negative, so our correct option is x equal to 7. Means Rahman's present age, and that only you have to find, is x years. And what is the value of x? X is 7. Therefore, Rahman's age is 7 years. Okay. Let's see the another example which is based on the distance, speed and time. Okay. Now, a train travels at 360 km at a uniform speed. When the speed of train is, speed of train is uniform. Okay, and distance traveled by that train is this much. This is the distance given. Okay, this is your distance. Now, if the speed had been 5 km per hour more, you know that the speed is given in km per hour. Here distance is in kilometer and here kilometer per hour. Means if the speed increased by the 5 km per hour, then it takes, with the same train, the same journey will be take the 1 hour less. Means if the speed had been 5 km more, means speed is increased, then obviously if the speed is increased, distance, same distance covering time will be lesser. So for the same journey we have to find the speed of the train. You know the formula that speed is equal to distance upon time. Now distance is same in both the journey. Okay. We can write it, rewrite this formula, because we have to compare between the times. So I am taking t is equal to d upon s. What is d? D is the distance, s is the speed and t is the time. Now let the speed of train is equal to x kilometer per hour. Don't forget to give the units, proper units. Okay. Now, what is the time taken then? First case T1, I am taking T1. First case, what is the time T1? Is equal to distance, that is distance you have to cover is 360 upon x. Okay, distance upon speed. Now, what speed is increased by 5 kilometer. Therefore, and time taken, then time taken in the next time we will take t2. Same distance we have to cover, therefore 360, and now speed is increased by 5. Now, if the time, when the speed is x, time is t1. When the speed is increased, time is t2. Now, obviously, if the speed is increased, time taken is less than the previous one. And how much it is less than? That is 1 hour. Therefore, this equation will lead to t1 minus t2. Difference between the previous time and this is equal to 1. Okay. As time t2 is lesser because speed is increased. Now, write this from 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 equal to 1. Why this 1? Because this 1. Okay. Now take 360 common. Sorry, 360. Therefore, here is 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5 equal to 1. Now, 360. Now solve this. X minus 1, take LCM is x into x minus 5. X into x minus 5. And here 5x plus 5 into 1, that is x plus 5, which is sign minus. Minus x into 1, that is x, is equal to 1. Now solving this 360. Okay, this x minus x will 0, therefore it is 5 upon, I am solving this x square, x into minus 5, 5x equal to 1. Now this is 360 into 5 upon x square minus 5x equal to 1. Now this is in the denominator, and while going here it will be multiplied. Therefore 3 and do the multiplication. This is 1800 upon x square minus 5x equal to 1. This will leads to 1800 is equal to x square minus 5x into 1, that is x square minus 5x. Rearranging equation properly, what we will get? X square minus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0, because this transfer to this side, this will be the positive 1800, and this side is, this will be the minus 1800, and this will remain. Only I am writing it to the LHS side. Now this is the quadratic equation. Okay, now you can find the value of x by any of the method. Whatever the method you feel it is easy to solve, you can solve it. I am using here now 1800. Factorize the 1800, you will get 45 and 40. Okay, now which sign should you give? As minus there, so if minus and plus, as product of AC is minus 1800. Now therefore x square minus 45x plus 40x minus 1800 equal to 0. If you take the x common, x minus 45, okay, is it correct? Plus 40, x minus 45 equal to 0. X it is correct, no? Once beta, let us correct this one, because here plus, so this will be plus 45 minus 40, sorry for that, plus 45 minus 40. As here I make the mistakes here because the LCM is x into the x plus 5, x into x plus 5. Here we done the mistake, so we correct it. Now x minus 40 in another bracket, x plus 45 plus 45 minus 40, because here sign is this, okay, is equal to 0. Now this implies x minus 40 equal to 0 and x plus 45 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 40 and x is equal to minus 45. Now, as speed is never be negative, our correct option is 40. Therefore, the speed of the train is 40 km per hour.
Right.
Let's now look again. Here you have to keep in mind speed is equal to distance upon time. So here comparison between time is given. So I have written this equation into the time. Now as the speed is increases, time will be lesser. So these two condition, this equation is very important to frame. Sometimes we make the mistakes while writing as I have done here. Please correct it. That is x in bracket x plus 5 because LCM of x and x plus 5 is x into x plus 5 and then do and after before for solving this quadratic equation you can use any method which you feel that is comfortable for you. Here generally we are using the factorization or splitting method for the word problem as it is very easy for that. Okay, we will see some more example in next video. Thank you.